Hey y'all, it's your girl Quisha Elise, and I welcome. Hey y'all, I'm Quisha Elise, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm here with a different type of video. It's more of a DIY, decorate with me video. I haven't used this desk too much, but I want to start using it for my videos, so that's why I'm going to start to decorate this whole little area and get it all together. So I hope y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see how it turns out with me. I always save gifts and cards I get, especially the pretty ones. And I have this obituary from my little cousin Tiana that passed away a couple years ago. And of course a bunch of smell goods that have just been filling up my desk. My laundry organizer over there. And my computer and desk I got for Christmas. And these are some of the decorations I got. A couple shelves I found at Five Below. I got these curtains from Walmart. And the microphone and the light strip are from Best Buy where I work. These are the supplies I use to clean the area and a hammer and some nails. The first thing I'll be using is this photo display, but I'm going to use it for the cards. I like that it's gold and then the circular shape. And then this next one is this 2-tier hanging shelf from Five Below. I like the ropes and the 2 shelves. I'll be putting my perfumes on there. So I'm gonna start hanging all these decorations and speed this up so y'all can see everything, and this video won't be too long. So this is how it's looking so far. I like how it's coming together. I put my cousin's obituary in the middle and then put all the cards around her. Alright y'all, I'm going to try to put most of these bottles on these shelves and hope that they don't fall off or if it's too heavy. But anyway, I got majority of this stuff from my boyfriend, my mom, or just things that I bought for myself. And I know y'all ladies can recognize these bottles from Bath and Body Works. They always have sales going on and new fragrances that come out. Y'all, I was struggling with these shelves. I'm trying not to smash my finger. Plus, it was like 2 in the morning, so I didn't want to bang too much on the walls and wake people up, but I got it all done. All right, I got them shelves and the perfume out the way. Now I have this light strip that I want to put around my vanity. It's 8 feet long and changes colors with the remote that comes with it. And it plugs in with the USB and has adhesive all around the back of it to help it stick. I'm gonna put that all around the front of the vanity. All right, the last thing I'll be setting up is my microphone so I can record my voice on my videos. It's a compact USB studio microphone that plugs in to the computer and comes with the microphone, stand, USB cable, and the instructions in the box. The microphone was pretty easy to set up. Just plug in the USB into the USB part on the computer, and then the other end goes into the microphone. The instructions show you how to set it up to the computer in the settings. And y'all, that is pretty much it. I like how all of this came together. I have my microphone to set up my videos, and then I have everything all organized over here so I can use this vanity desk when I'm recording my hair videos or makeup videos. So make sure y'all stay tuned for those, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching my video. As I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Quisha Elise. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook as well as on YouTube. Also, go ahead and comment as well. What was your favorite part of the video? I didn't get to do this on camera, but I love this chair that I got from Amazon. It was really cute and comfortable, and I like the plush feel. And it looks great with the decor as well.